Are you looking to position your business in the heart of Lagos, where getting customers and clients will never be a problem again? I have a good news for you. ALADE Mall Ikeja, Lagos is currently selling. If you did not invest in the future of your business at ALADE Mall Ikeja, Lagos last time, now is the second best time to key into this. Today, you can give your business the visibility it needs to grow in the bustling center of Allen Avenue, Ikeja, Lagos. Welcome to ALADE Ultra Modern Mall, located on Allen Avenue, Ikeja, Lagos. A business environment that has been the dream of every business owner and entrepreneur. Our prime office spaces, stores, and shops that are carefully designed to suit your business needs and growth come with full ownership with C of O documents. Unlike other common complexes, ALADE Ultra Modern Mall is furnished with amenities like a kids play area, large parking space, the spacious offices, and shop interiors to make doing business easy for you and your clients. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button below to learn more and book an inspection today with us.